The Armed Forces of the Philippines, or AFP, is demanding payment from China for the value of equipment damaged and stolen by Chinese Coast Guard during the incident at Ayungin Shoal last June 17. This situation occurred when they obstructed Philippine Navy personnel conducting a rotational and resupply mission to BRP Sierra Madre. During the confrontation, 2 rigid-hulled inflatable boats and 2 rubber boats were punctured and damaged by the Chinese using axes, knives, and other sharp objects. Communication devices, navigational equipment, and even the engine of the rig were destroyed. Additionally, various items were taken, including cell phones belonging to some soldiers, and 7 firearms that were still in the cases intended for soldiers stationed on the BRP Sierra Madre.
Pero dun sa aking sulat, I demanded the return of 7 firearms. Yung pong mga baril na yon ay kinuha ng mga Chinese Coast Guard na nakabox kasi yung mga armas na yon. Kaya dinampot na lang nila yung mga 7 rifle. At sinira nila yung ating mga kagamitan. When we estimated the cost of the damage, it's 60 million pesos. 60.
AFP leadership has formally filed a complaint with the National Defense and the Department of Foreign Affairs to communicate these demands to their counterpart in China. In addition to demanding the return of the 7 firearms and payment of 60 million pesos in damages, the AFP is also seeking compensation from China to cover the medical expenses for a Filipino soldier who lost his finger during the resupply mission.
We are also looking into the possibility of charging them with the cost of restructuring the hand of CSN-1 Facundo. Kasi mag-ooperahan po siya Operahan para bumalik yung function ng kanyang kamay. Meron po kasing mga technology ngayon, medical technology na bago, nang sa gayon ay magamit niya ulit yung kanyang kanang kamay.
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.